Welcome to Floris UMC's Saturday mini concert. We are so glad to be back. My name is Natasha Smith, and this is Mike Dickerson, and we are Sparrow. This is such an honor and such a great experience for us, but we really do it to make sure that we can get everyone engaged in music again and that feeling of worship, even when we are away from the church building. We do have opportunities on Sunday to join us at 9:15 for our live stream. We think that's really important. You can join us, also do meet and greets, as well as Kids Church on Sundays. But for now, come join us in worship as we start off, and we're going to try to include everybody with this song, Thank You, Jesus, using sign language.
Set me free. Christ, my Savior, you rescued me. Grace that flows like a river, washing over me. Fount of heaven, of Christ overflowing me. Thank you, Jesus. You set me free. In Christ, my Savior, you rescued me. And take this life, a vessel of your love, holy now devoted to see your kingdom come. Thank you, Jesus, you set me free. Christ, my Savior, rescued me. Thank you, Jesus, you set me free. Christ, my Savior, you rescued me.
In that freedom comes a choice, and that choice we have is to make a change. So here's an original song by Sparrow called Night's Lullaby.
radiant beams across the water. Colors bleed across the sky as my eyes stare in wonder at the beauty going by. And I feel the change in me. I can feel the change in me as God slowly breaks the night's lullaby. I feel the change. You hear the prayers that I think, Lord, be in the words that I speak. As my day begins the same way it should end, Lord, be the change. Let me feel the change in me. Lord, be the change in me as God sets me on my way. I feel the change. All the noise and the night will not break His warm and light. Let me delight in His way. All the noise and the night will not break His warm and light. Make me the light in His way. I can feel the change. Oh, I feel the change. Yeah. Feel the change. From the time I step out till the time I come in, I see those little eyes asking where their heart should be. Make me the mirror that shows your way. I can feel the change. I'm not who I was yesterday. I feel the change, and I see the change in me because God is changing me. I'm the change I wanna be. Yeah. Let me be the change.
From something new to something old, we ask that we all learn to be there for one another and live in this community experience of worship. So here's one from the Jacksons, I'll Be There.
We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. I'll reach out my hand to you. I'll have faith in all you do. Just call my name, I'll be there. I'll be there to comfort you. I'll build my world of dreams around you. I'm so glad I found you, yeah. And I'll be there with a love so strong. I'll be your strength. You know I'll keep holding on. Let me fill your heart with joy and laughter. Togetherness well, it's all I'm after. Where there is love, I'll be there. I'll be there to protect you with an unselfish love that respects you. Just call my name and I'll be there. And I'll be there to comfort you. I'll build my world of dreams around you. You know I'm so glad I found you, yeah. And I'll be there with a love so strong. I'll be your strength. You know I'll keep holding on. If you should ever find someone new, I hope they better be good to you. 'Cause if they aren't, then I'll be there. Don't you know, yeah, 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 I'll be there. I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just call my name and I'll be there, yeah. Hey, 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 I'll be there, baby. You know I'll be there. Just call my name and I'll be there.
We all love the classics. Or at least I know I do. You do too, right, Mike? So we're going to have a real classic for you. We all wish we could leave our living rooms and our spaces and maybe even venture somewhere over the rainbow. So this is Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why? Tell me, why can't I? Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow,
Thank you for joining us this evening. We have one more song for you. We all know we're going through some times, but just know that through everything, we're in this together, and most importantly, we have God. So please, if you remember, if you don't have a congregation, if you're part of this congregation, we look forward to seeing you on our live stream Sundays at 9:15. We're just so excited to be able to still present that worship to you. We hope you've enjoyed worship tonight. Again, I am Natasha Smith. This is Mike Dickerson, and we are Sparrow, and we're here when the crazy kicks in. Here I go, tiptoe into the kitchen. And don't you know, crash goes the coffee cup. My only chance to be still and listen. Lord, don't let the kids wake up. A little time with you, the only thing that gets me through the day. Oh, come meet me in this moment before it all gets going. And those plates start to spin, and the crazy kicks in. A circus of distraction is just about to happen, but I'll be ready when the crazy kicks in. Oh. Pushed and pulled by 1,000 expectations, and all the roles that I'm supposed to play. To hit the ground, running's a temptation, but I have learned this lesson the hard way. A little time with you, the only way to get me through the day. Oh, come meet me in this moment before it all gets going, and those plates start to spin, and the crazy kicks in. A circus of distraction is just about to happen, but I'll be ready when the crazy kicks in. 'Cause you got me where you want me, even through the highs and lows. And you know me, and you hold me, and you show me that you'll never let me go. Oh, come meet me in this moment before it all gets going, and those plates start to spin, and the crazy kicks in. A circus of distraction is just about to happen.